Hey, what up, y'all? Alright, so today I'm going to show you a quick video on how I did my interior XKGLOW kit. My intentions initially was to get it done and show you guys the same day, just because I didn't know how we were going to do it. So I was just going to do a quick tutorial on how to get it done. We've had a lot of rain, raining right now a little bit, snowstorm, so it's been about a week or more, working every day. So we're gonna get this done real quick while I got some light while I can. Just got off work, 14-hour day. So let's go ahead and get this started, all right? All right, so first thing we're gonna do is remove our engine cover here. And what you wanna do is remove your air intake. So it's just gonna be taking this clip off, going down here and unscrewing that with the flathead, coming over here and unscrewing this. And if you have a stock air box, it'll be just off the air box. Mine is off of the cold air intake. You'll take that off, and then there is, if I can get it here, so this clip right here, you'll have two of them, one here and then one, you can see it right there. Yeah, so you can see it right there. Yeah, where the other hoses is. And that will go into where I ran the lines to go in. My XKGLOW controller is in with my fuse box. All my wires and everything's hidden in there. Ran pretty well to the battery. The fuse connector, inline fuse, right? So real quickly, you run all that, and then down in here, there is a spot where it goes into your cabin. See if I can't. Yeah, so you can see where those wires go in, right there, right there. So those wires, you can see the other set over there going in. This foam's kind of in the way, but so it goes in there, then it comes out the inside of your cabin. So we went ahead and ran it there. Take y'all to the inside here. All right. So actually, let me get a work light here. A little dark in there to see. All right. So, sorry about it being so dirty. Just trying to clean this up before I did this, but you know, work and rain and all that other crap. So, let me go ahead and get in here. Now I can actually put it on the passenger side. See if I can. Yeah, so I believe, you gotta peel back the carpeting there, and the hole is right behind there. So then what you go ahead and do, poke it through there, bring it in, bring all the wires in, stuff like that. And then what we did was, we went ahead and did it underneath the, pretty well back underneath the glove box area. I took off the regular 3M tape that comes on with it and got a roll of the bigger 3M. And we went ahead and put a splitter. Let's see. Yeah, we got a splitter on this end. We tucked the wires in behind there, as you can see, behind the kicker. And it goes underneath the door panel and into the back. And then down here, we actually took this off. This just pops out. And let's turn the flash on here. Yeah, so you can see my underglow, other things. Got that all wired up in there, rolling through. Right. Got that in there. And then same side on here. ran it through, and connected it. Let's see. I believe you can get the splitter in there, right there. So there's the splitter. Let's see. Yeah, I get a good video there. And then we just ran it same way across, and then we tucked all of that going to the back along here, along the center console. If you look, so you can put your fingers down in here, just tuck that all along in there to the back. And what we did is I'm gonna have to scoot that up. Alright. So what we did is got it down here, and we had to zip tie it because there's the carpet. But let's see if I can get. Sorry for the different angles and everything. I'm trying to work it here. I'm a big dude, so getting in these small spots and everything, definitely not my forte. So you'll reach under here, hence my heavy breathing. I'm a big dude. So, let me see here. Alright, so here's a little example. So you'll have a clip underneath that hooks onto your frame rail. You'll take that. We got two of them both on both sides, and this just pops out, okay? So, and then what you'll do is poke a hole on each side of this here. Poke a hole on each side with a screwdriver, a knife, carpet knife, whatever. And then you pretty much have to zip tie it under there. And then we ran the wire through here, up, and then we left plenty of extra wire down here, which I need to try and tuck under a zip tie or something. But did that on both sides, and then got it to working. Tested everything, made sure everything works, and then I will go ahead and get y'all a clip in this in a minute. Alright, so we'll go ahead and turn this on here, right? Turn that on. Now, I got it on my modes here, favorite modes here. So we'll go to, we'll go to Christmas Joy, right? Got it going here. Let's turn this. There we go. That's a lot better. So you got the back there, you got the front, and then I'll make sure to go ahead and include a video of it tonight. Let's see here. RGB. So go ahead and go through all the colors here. Green, blue, pink, red, purple, yellow. Alright, so I'll go ahead and include a video of a nighttime synced up to music, and I'll cut you back on, alright? Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, show your boy some love. This really helps me out. I'm really trying to commit with a lot of YouTube videos for y'all. And coming up next, right, if you can tell, got some parts missing up here on the dash. Got some wrap coming, some nice crushed velvet doing the A-pillars, dash pad, the mirror covers, and so this is the whole start of doing the interior. Next, we're going to be, after this, we're going to be doing the B-pillars here, then we'll be doing the C-pillars back there, and then eventually we're going to get to where we're going to do a red wine velvet headliner. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all love my videos. Make sure you hit that notification button. And I'll catch y'all on the flip side.